In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the AnyDesk timer quickly and safely on Windows. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can help when AnyDesk is acting up, and I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along easily. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to completely quit AnyDesk. Don't just close the window, make sure you right-click the AnyDesk icon in the system tray, which is usually down by the clock on your taskbar. Then click Quit or Exit so the app fully closes in the background. This part is important because if AnyDesk is still running, Windows may block you from changing the files we need. Once AnyDesk is fully closed, the next step is to open the ProgramData folder. On your keyboard, press Windows and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %ProgramData %\AnyDesk, then press Enter. This will take you directly to the AnyDesk folder inside ProgramData. Now look for a file named Service.conf. This is the configuration file we need to remove. Right-click on Service.conf, then click Delete. If Windows asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This file can be recreated by AnyDesk when the program starts again, and deleting it is the key step in resetting the timer. After that, you can close the folder and restart AnyDesk like normal. Open the app again and let it load completely. At this point, the timer reset process should be complete. If you run into any issues, just make sure AnyDesk was fully quit before deleting the file, because that is the most common mistake people make. And that's it, you've now reset the AnyDesk timer on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes, app tutorials, and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.